Hello, kindergartners. Today we are going to do an activity from our scorecard using dominoes, and we will be making addition sentences with those dots on the dominoes. All right, before we get started with the activity, let's just review about our symbols. We know now that this is the plus sign, and when we see it, we add numbers. This is the equal sign, and this means sum, that's the answer, or all together. We add something all together. Now, I have also put an addition sentence on the bottom. Remember, we read an addition sentence just like we would read words or sentences in a book. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, let's move on to the activity now. I have a domino here, and you can do this at home with dominoes, or I have a lesson and activity on Seesaw that you can do. So you can choose how you'd like to do it. But when I look at this domino, on the first side I see, let's count how many dots. 1, 2. So I am going to write the 2 in the first blank for my addition sentence. Now I need to look at the other side of the domino, and there is 1. So I am going to write the 1. So now I need to count on and figure out what the sum is, what the answer is to this addition sentence. All right, so I know I have 2, and 1 more is 3. That's a pretty easy addition sentence. You can make them as hard as you want or as easy as you want to practice addition. All right, let's look at another example. I have another domino here, and on the first side, let's count how many dots I have. And maybe you recognize this from subitizing and you know how many are on that domino already. Good job if you know. If you don't, that's okay. You can count them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 dots on that side, so that is going to be the first number for my addition sentence. Now I'm going to look at the other side. I bet you don't even have to count that. You know that that is 2. So you are going to write a 2 in the next blank. Now it's time to add all together. So we start at 5, and you can count them again if you need to. Otherwise, boys and girls, you know there's 5 here, and then you just count on from 5. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the sum or the answer to this addition problem. Let's read it together. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Very good. Now we're going to do one more. I have another domino here. How many dots are on this side of the domino? Did you say 6? You're right if you said 6. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I am going to take my pen and I'm going to write that in the first blank, a 6. Now look at the other side of the domino. How many dots are there? Can you look at it and subitize and know how many are there? If you guess 3, you are correct. 1, 2, 3. So 3 is my second number in the addition problem. Now I need to add. Now we put it all together. So we know there are 6, and we want to count on from 6. So 6, what comes next? 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the answer or the sum to this addition problem. Let's read it together. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Very good. So boys and girls, this is what you're going to do at home. Like I said, if you have dominoes at home, then you can just put the dominoes on the table and make your own addition sentences using the worksheet or a piece of paper, or you can go on Seesaw and my lesson is going to be there, and there's a worksheet or activity you can do making your own dominoes. So I wanted to show you really quick how to make your dominoes. It's really easy. Just take one of the drawing tools or pencil or marker, whatever you have, and I'm going to make a rectangle. All right, I'm going to divide it in half. So I have one side and the other side just like a domino. Then I'm going to draw or color in some dots and make my first number. How many dots did I make, boys and girls? I made 4. So then I would start writing my addition sentence. 4 plus, now I need to put some more dots on the other side. See, it's so easy to make your own dominoes and practice addition. And I made 1, 2, 3 dots on that side. So that is my next number in my addition sentence. Wonder what I put right here. 4 plus 3 equals, yes, we need to have that symbol. Now we need to count. So I know I have 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer or the sum is 7. All right, boys and girls, do a great job on domino math today, and I will see you soon.